Siddaramaiah versus DK Shivkumar social media fight over words. Sounds bizarre, right? But it started off with DK Shivkumar putting up a picture on social media with the caption, "Word power is world power." Last night, Siddaramaiah has responded to that. He's in fact gone ahead and said very clearly that word is not power unless it betters the world. There's no reading between the lines here. This is as crystal clear as it gets that Siddaramaiah was responding to DK Shivkumar. I'll reiterate here. DK Shivkumar said word power is world power. Siddaramaiah says word is not power unless it betters the world. It all sounds, I know, very, very preachy, but ultimately what's the messaging here? DK Shivkumar seems to be suggesting to the High Command with that particular word power is world power messaging, you made a promise, now keep your word. And then Siddaramaiah responding, saying that it should have a certain meaning and only then does it actually matter. So very, very interesting updates that are coming in. Now with the High Command being completely silent, it looks like it's descended to this now of social media taunts and jibes at each other. DK Shivkumar yesterday was asked about his post where he said that word power is world power. He's completely distanced himself from it. The reality, however, is that even now if you go to his profile, it's still very much there.
ವರ್ಲ್ಡ್ ಪವರ್ ಇಸ್ ವರ್ಲ್ಡ್ ಪವರ್ ಅಂತ ಈಗೇನೊಂದು ಮಾತು ಕೊಡ್ತೇವೆ, ಮಾತು ಉಳಿಸ್ಕೊಳ್ತೀವಿ, ಮಾತು ಆಡ್ತೀವಿ, ಅದೇ ವಿಶ್ವದಲ್ಲೇ ಒಂದು ಪವರ್ ಅದು. ಒಬ್ಬ ಜಡ್ಜಿ ಕೊಡಲಿ, ಪ್ರೆಸಿಡೆಂಟ್ ಆಫ್ ಇಂಡಿಯಾ ಕೊಡಲಿ, ನಾನು ಕೊಡಲಿ, ನೀವು ಕೊಡಲಿ, ಮನೇಲಿ ಮಾತಾಗಲಿ, ದಟ್ ಈಸ್ ದಿ ಬಿಗ್ಗೆಸ್ಟ್ ಪವರ್.
So that is in fact where DK Shivkumar mentioned that word power is world power, after which he put out the post. We'll also play out for you his clarification from yesterday in which he'd said that no, I didn't make those comments. He distanced himself completely from it. But I'll bring in Apurva Jayachandran for more on this. Apurva, good morning. There's no hiding, there's no pretending everything's okay now. This is a full-blown fight that's playing out on social media just because the two leaders can't speak publicly against each other, courtesy the High Command.
Yeah. Well, that's right, Akshita. In fact, if you see right now, this is just the beginning of what, we can also predict going to turn into an ugly social media war as well. On one side, you see DK and, Siddaramaiah, who have directly entered into the battleground now, batting against each other, using wordplay to kind of assert their dominance there. But on the other side, we are also going to most likely see opposition there not being silent. There is also going to be, the opposition who is going to try and look into caricatures, AI videos and several others that will be coming out in what is only expected to be the next 24 to 48 hours as well. And remember, all of this boils down to what has been a promise that had been made when the Congress came into power 2.5 years back, and that promise was that 2.5 years is going to be Siddaramaiah, next 2.5 years is going to be DK Shivkumar. Now the High Command has to decide if they are going to let a veteran like Siddaramaiah continue on his term until his he decides that he is done for it, or is it going to be DK Shivkumar that they're going to be backing. You have all the leaders from the Congress, be it AICC Chief Mallikarjun Kharge, or even Rahul Gandhi and the others as well, who will be taking a call on this decision. In fact, KC Venugopal, Rahul Gandhi, Kharge and several others are also met yesterday during the programs that had been scheduled there in Delhi, and most likely it is also expected that this conversation of who is going to be the CM of Karnataka is going to be yet again discussed in multiple platforms amidst themselves in the upcoming meetings as well. But it's important to learn that on the ground the cadres are getting berserk, they are getting into an anxious mode because they are waiting for some kind of a decision to be made by the High Command. All of the leaders, including DCM, including CM, they are saying High Command